Welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Justin Robey. I'm the host of Robeytech. Robeytech is a show dedicated to PC building, tech news, tech deals. Absolutely 0421, that's who we're building the PC for today. It's gonna be RGB lit, and I'm excited about today's build, so that should be a lot of fun. This video was brought to you by the Ridge Wallet. I wanted to bring you here because, I don't know, man, your life seems a little askew.
Yeah, man, my back's been really bothering me.
Yeah.
I think it's my wallet.
Holy
And I don't know what to do.
Oh my God, you can't even lift that thing, dude. You need to get one of these. The Ridge Wallet. It's light, sleek, and industrial. It doesn't fold or awkwardly bulge in your back pocket. It's designed to fit easily in your front pocket as well. This thing can hold up to 12 cards, plus room for cash. There's over 30 colors and styles, including carbon fiber and burnt titanium. Each wallet comes with a lifetime warranty. You can buy this one wallet and carry it for life. In burnt titanium! The Ridge team is so confident that you'll like it that they'll let you test drive it for 45 days. Get 10% off today with free worldwide shipping and returns by going to ridge.com/Robeytech and using the code Robeytech for 10% off. Link in the description below. Yeah, Ridge makes everything smaller.
Wait.
Let's talk about what's going in the build today. Let's start with the motherboard. We're using the Gigabyte B550 Vision D. It's going to be a white build, and it's going to look very, very nice. Going with this is, of course, the king of last gen Ryzen, but still no slouch, and that's the Ryzen 9 3900 XT. For RAM, their special edition o11 Warhawk RGB. This is 3600 megahertz. For storage, we're gonna be using Western Digital SN750s. We got a 500 gig and a 1 terabyte. For cooling, I'm excited about this. I like the way this looks. It should look good with our build, and that is the Master Liquid ML360P Silver Edition. For fans, because you need 9 of them, we've got 9 of these white LO120s. For his GPU, this is the MSI Gaming S Trio RTX 3080. I love the RGB in this. It looks really nice. For cabling, we've got our Lian Li Strimmer pluses. We've got 2 of them right there. Let's build, baby. Can we just appreciate how clean this looks? Holy crud, that looks so clean. Let's just point some things out because I know there's a lot of people who probably don't know a lot about Mobos. So underneath this crazy creator series thing right here, that is your EPS power connector. That's what actually powers your whole CPU array right here, like your VRMs, etc. This is a AM4 socket. Over here, this is your RAM. We've got dual channel here. This is channel 1 and channel 2. These are our fan headers. We've got the light gray one is actually our CPU fan header. Nice of them to color that. I always like when they do. Dark gray is just a system fan. These up here are actually RGB headers. This allows you to do Q-Flash Plus. So if he was to upgrade this 3900 XT to like a 5000 series, this allows you to do things like see error codes. It also do things like show temperatures, etc. This is what premium boards have a tendency to come with. We have some more fan headers here. This is our front panel connectors right here. USB 3.2, USB 2, more fan headers for a total of 7, which is pretty typical. More RGB headers, and then we've got our HD audio right here. We've got 2 M.2 slots. This right here is actually a Wi-Fi M.2, which is pretty cool. It comes with this. This is a by 16 and a by 8 PCIe slot. So that's the motherboard in a glance. Let's install our CPU. I'm just gonna grab it from the side right here. You don't wanna touch the pins. The way this works, you just wanna put it sideways, drop it in, wiggle it a little bit, and just pop it down just like that. And there you go, it's all installed. So there we go. So we got that installed, and let's go and do our RAM now. Okay, so we're gonna pop all of this up. When you put in RAM, there's a little slot in the PCB. Wow, even the PCB is white. That's cool. So you're gonna look at the little slot in the PCB, just line it up like so, and you're just gonna put it in. You're just gonna push it down, and you're gonna get a nice, quiet click. Okay, so now let's install our M.2s. There's a little slot in the PCB for this too. You're gonna pop that in just like that, and same thing with this one here too. There's that one. There we go. Okay. Okay, that's now in. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a peel. There's peel 1. We're gonna broaden our horizons. What is up with the labels on this stuff? Okay, that's in. Last peel. Oh, that hurt. pop that in just like that. There we go. And there we go. It's all in, ready to go. Ice. Let's grab our case. Here it is. Next step is fan installation. First thing we're gonna do is install our LLs. We're gonna install 3 LLs. There we go. Okay, now let's put in our motherboard. There we go. That looks good. Now we're gonna put our AIO together and get that on. Okay, Bob Rossing time. This is a ceramic thermal paste. I like it. It just does a little bit better job than some of the stock stuff that a lot of coolers come with. So we're gonna give a little worm in there. Okay, now what we're doing is we're just gonna simply start spreading this out and making an even cover. There we go. Okay, IHS is covered. So here's our CPU and RGB. So RGB we're gonna plug in right here. There we go. And then CPU. And there's your build right there. Man, that looks nice and clean. I like the way this looks. All right, let's turn this over. Now, let's run all of our cabling. There's USB 3.2 and HD audio, so those will come down here. I'm gonna run those taut, and then HD audio is gonna go over here and be around the back. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug in the bottom fans into the Mobo, and everything else will be plugged into the Commander Pros. And I'm gonna get all of the the RGB hooked up here. Okay, there's 3 fan headers there. So that's all our front panels, and the rest of this will plug into the Commander Pro. So our 3 side fans are gonna go right here. There's our 3 side fans. Okay, so there, all our front panel connectors are plugged in. We have USB that we're gonna plug in from the Commander Pro, and then everything else I don't have to worry about because I can control it all from the Commander Pro. Okay, so all of our stuff is ready. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna mount our fans. Put in our GPU and let's figure out our strimmers. Remember, we'll have the white, the big white from the strimmer cable, which will actually also help with the overall look. But now we can do our strimmer. Now what we need is just to hook up our strimmer cables. Guys, PSU time. Now let's power this SOB, and there's VGA and VGA. There we go. Okay, next up, CPU power. There we go. And then we have 2 peripheral, which is our SATA. These can also be used for drives. There's gonna be 2 here. There's 1. The last part of this whole thing, our 24-pin ATX. There we go. There we go. There we go, right there. Let us hook this stuff up. PC is done, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, here we go. There it is. Boom. Yeah, this looks good. I'm happy. This came out really clean. Okay, guys, that is it for now. Thank you very much. Bye, guys. Have a great day.